वी ऑल नो क्लाइमेट चेंजेस, समर्स की हीट बढ़ती रहती है, हम सब पंखे के नीचे मरते रहते हैं एंड सिर्फ ठंडा पानी हमको बचाता है. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट climate change, why do we also need to talk about the economy? So the thing is, climate change is expensive. According to Forbes, climate change by the year 2049 will cost the world around $38 trillion. And that is a very rough estimate because some estimates measure as much as $60 trillion. Now, अब मेरे पास $50 नहीं है, and our government only has $8.3 in loans. So I'm not sure where all that money is going to come from. Mind you, this $38 trillion only 10 years ago in 2015 was only an estimated $6 trillion. So the cost keeps ballooning and getting bigger and bigger. But that's about the future. Why does this matter right now? The thing is, climate change is particularly expensive because of the natural disasters and the costs that come from them. A good example of this would be when a natural disaster happens, like in the 2022 floods. There was the destruction of infrastructure like roads, like bijli ke poles, and like water pipelines. This led to ballooning costs for the Pakistani government. This is money that quite frankly the government cannot spend and does not have. Now, I know we live in Pakistan and we know absolutely nothing about road repair or infrastructure repair, but look at China. पहले 9 महीने in the year of 2023, China spent $42 billion on the repair of infrastructure because of natural disasters like typhoons, landslides, and hailstorms. In the first 9 months alone. And look at the USA. The United States of America's National Climate Assessment Organization states that every 3 weeks, America spends $1 billion on the repair of infrastructure due to natural disasters. That is a lot of money. From the year 2000 to 2019, only 2 decades, the entire world spent $2.86 trillion on climate change alone, with an average of $143 billion annually. The highest spending of this was $620 billion in the year 2008 alone. That alone is more than Pakistan's entire GDP. If we just started working all day, didn't spend any money at all, saved up completely, maybe we would be able to foot that bill. Maybe. Honestly, probably the politician will take the money and buy apartments in England or something. But why does this matter to us? The thing is, these researchers also state that countries which are tropical countries like Pakistan are going to be footing most of the bill because they are going to be facing the most natural disasters. Point of the matter is, we're already getting a ton of natural disasters like the 2022 floods, and because of that, we're going to be facing a lot of future natural disasters as well. We're right in the hot zone. And that means that we're going to be putting a lot of the bill for this money, and quite frankly, let's be honest, most of the nations are not going to be helping us. But where is all this money going to come from? Of course, it's going to come from our taxes. Even if you are not affected directly by a natural disaster, for example, if you're in Islamabad while floods are happening in Balochistan, you're still going to be footing the bill for the natural disasters cost because of the increase in taxes. But let's for a moment imagine that you are one of the very unlucky few who happens to be caught in these natural disasters. What future are you going to be facing? Well, on the first hand, it's going to be the destruction of infrastructure. So, बिजली नहीं आएगी, पानी नहीं आएगा. Quite frankly, it's going to be a disruption in the food supply chain as well. खाना फौरन नहीं पहुंचेगा. You're probably going to be going a few days without food as well. And the cost for that food, the cost for all that aid is going to be coming from the bank pockets of every single citizen in Pakistan. Point of the matter is, whether you will be directly affected by this natural disaster or not, you're still going to be footing the bill and you're still going to be deeply affected by it. So if anyone ever says that climate change is not real, just say, hey bhai, मेरे पैसे से आ रहा है ये. Point of the matter is, this is why it's very important of climate change and specifically how it affects the economy.